aqua, organic eucalyptus oil, organic shea butter, glycerin, bisphenol A, diethyl hexylfolate, styrene monomer, antimony trioxide.
Funny, those last four aren't on the label. They leach straight out of the plastic bottle. Endocrine disruptors, carcinogens, the party mix no one RSVP'd to. That all-natural lotion, it stopped being natural when it was stored in plastic.
Plastic bottles don't disappear. They crack, crumble, and come back as microplastics. In your water, your food, maybe even grandma's cheesecake. Yum.
There's a better alternative, and it's been hiding in plain sight. Meet the humble aluminum can. Food safe, infinitely recyclable. Plastic weakens every recycle and gets more toxic each time. Aluminum, practically immortal and naturally occurring. It's not exactly vanity decor, but that's where we come in.
Meet Moss Theory's answer. A multi-patent pending dispenser, sleek, fast, and ridiculously easy to use. It even beats that $50 shampoo bottled with 100% organic unicorn sweat.
Remove from package. Snaps and poke.
Inside, the same organic, dermatologist-loved ingredients you'll find in $50 bottles, minus the unicorn sweat. PETA vetoed. No phthalates, no BPA, no plastic ghosts, no single-use plastic wrecking our planet. Tea tree, lavender, and mint to purify the scalp. Aloe, almond oil, and vitamin E calm and nourish dry skin. Eucalyptus and lavender gently cleanse and refresh. Pure Balance bottled, without the plastic baggage.
This is your moment. Join us in breaking up with plastic, one beautiful can at a time. Back Moss Theory now, and let's can single-use plastic for good. Pun fully intended.